they couldn't generate enough kilowatts energy to make a popcorn. We gave them the mandate, rigor secured. We put our lives on their palms. Rather than pay attention to us, rather than give us electricity, rather than give us manufacturing, rather than give us hope, food security, they share the leftover of PDF and strip themselves naked and dancing, fighting in the Wuse market. You see why I never joined their club, and I will never need their endorsement, and I will beat them in every election. Thank you. Thank you. What they would have done, sold our patrimony, aluminium smelter in Ikoti Abasi, they sold for 120 million and they paid 120 million for dredging of the river. Yet we don't have an aluminium production in Nigeria, and they want to come back. I say no. I say no. We will not abuse each other in Wuse market like Obasanjo and Atiku. I didn't want to mention their name before. But I can't help it. They wrote letters after we closed all the post offices in Nigeria.